Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering materials and making the base ready. Tier tissue into varied sizes so you get depth and organic edges. This matters for 3D forms. Mix PVA glue with a little water until it's brushable but not runny, because consistency controls soak and lift. Once done, lay a thin tack coat on the primed panel and place larger tissue pieces first to establish major volumes. Make sure to work one small area at a time to maintain control. You continue by sculpting the form through layering and manipulation. Use wet and wet gluing to blend edges and scrunch or fold tissue to create ridges that catch paint later. This gives real relief. Once done with a base layer, let it reach about 60 to 80% dryness. This prevents collapse when you add heavier strips or glue-rich areas. Make sure to reinforce high points with additional glued strips. Transition gradually from large shapes to finer textures. You finish by sealing and painting to reveal the 3D effect. Start with thin acrylic washes to tint layers without filling texture. This preserves shadows. Then apply thicker paint or impasto on highlights to accentuate relief, dry brush edges for crispness. Once done, varnish with a satin seal to unify sheen. If pieces sag or detach, use small backing tissue patches glued behind the area and dry under a flat weight. This corrects structure without altering surface detail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.